single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. My name's Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today is a very exciting video because I am doing a makeup look using the Dose of Color DESI x KATY part 2 of their collection. And I'm super excited because this palette is gorgeous, you guys. So this palette is the FRIENDCATION palette, and just look how pretty this is, you guys. I am just so in love. I'm super excited to show you guys the look I created with this palette. There's just so many looks you can create with this palette, and I was really unsure of what look I wanted to go with because I wanted to use this pink, I wanted to use this color over here, this blue purple color. This color is really amazing because on camera it does look like blue, but especially when you turn, like, you kind of tilt it to the side, it's like purplish. And I did add that on my eyes as well. It's just so versatile, and it has your basic mattes and then these pops of shimmers that are just so pretty. I hope you guys enjoy this video because I'm super excited. I can't wait to jump into this video. And if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm super excited to film this video because I am working with the Dose of Color DESI x KATY part 2, and this is their newest palette, and this is the FRIENDCATION palette, and they still have the same packaging, like this glittery rose gold packaging. Look how sparkly it is. It's so cute. And wait until you see the inside. Oh my gosh, just how gorgeous is this. They did relaunch Fuego, so that is what I have, so I am going to be using this highlighter as well. But yeah, let's get on to the look. So I am going into the shade Girl Bye. It's like a nice mauve tone shade. Into the crease. It may look a little messy, but I'm going to fix it up, don't worry. So I'm going in with my soft ochre paint pot from MAC. I'm like running so low, you guys. Put that on the bottom part of my eyelids, creating a cut crease. Onto the other shades, we have this beautiful shade called Dirty Money, and that is going in the front half of my eyelid. And for the second half of my lid, I am going in with this beautiful, gorgeous shade. This is A Moment. It's like a purple blue shade. It is so pretty. You guys just have to see this shade in person. I'm just going to be putting that on this part, second half of my lid. Just blending it in. So beautiful. For the last portion of my eyes, I am going in with the shade Cheens. It's a nice dark brown shade. I'm always super thankful for a dark brown shade in the palette because it's just so versatile and you can just pretty much use it wherever, you know. That is going on the back. I'm going to add a wing liner on here, so I'm going to be using my Butter London Glazing Lustrous Liner. Give it a good shake. And then I'm going to finish my face makeup, like foundation, concealer, all of that. Since it's kind of tedious, I'm going to be doing that off camera, and I will be right back. And I'm back. So, as you can see, my face is pretty much done. Well, I just have foundation, concealer on, and then I've added brows and one of my lash right here. I wanted to show you guys this other one right here. So, the lashes that I am using are the Kiss Lash Couture Foaming Collection. So, It's in this little packaging, and then the actual lashes look like this. So it's pretty fluffy and cute. Still have some lash extensions on, but they're slowly coming off. Look at how easy that was to put on. It's like boop, boop, and it's like on. I'm already holding this bronzer. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one because this is seriously the only one that I've been using. For blush, I am going in with my Pixie Glow Cake. So I did use the highlighter for this in a previous video, but I'm going to be using these two shades. Alright, so that is done right here, and then I am going to put a little bit of baking underneath my face just because I like that really nice contoured look. I am going in with the Dose of Color DESI and KATY Fuego highlighter, of course. Why would I not use this one for that? Put it on the cheekbones. On the nose. To end this video, we are going in with lips, and I am using the Dose of Colors More Creamer Please lipstick. I know they didn't relaunch this lipstick, but I really wanted to use Dose of Color DESI and KATY, and this is the only lipstick that I got. Didn't really purchase any of their newest lipsticks from their collection besides the gloss, so I'm so sorry for that, but you can definitely use any nude and put that gloss over on top because that's exactly what I'm going to do. Alright, so this is More Creamer Please Alone. It's like a really pale peachy shade. And of course, this gloss is like hyped everywhere, so I was really excited to get my hands on this one. And this is the Over the Top lip gloss from Dose of Colors. Oh yeah. Definitely made it super glossy, which is really nice. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, I was gonna end this look without our lash line being done. Oh, heck no. I'm about to do some magic underneath these lash lines. Alright, you guys, the look that I created, I really hope you guys like it. It's just so glittery. Every time I look at the mirror, I'm like, wow, it's so glittery, it's so pretty. So yeah, it's really nice. I'm so happy about this. I'm really happy that I bought this palette because, you know, I already knew I was gonna get the palette. I mean, if anything from the collection, you guys should definitely get this palette. I don't really have anything else from the collection besides the lip gloss right here, which I did incorporate in my look as well. So it is what's on my lips. I just feel like I'm so glittery. So yeah, I really like this palette so much. It blends so nicely. It is $55, so it's kind of pricey. So if you do not have that kind of money, then yes, please do not use your hard-earned money on this. Unless you are, of course, a makeup lover, then yes, use your hard-earned money on this because it's totally worth it. I love it so much, and I definitely love the way I created this look. It's just so pretty and glittery and shimmery and so nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.